The ICT European project has been started in 2021 and is aimed to develop a new generation of soft robots that are inspired by plant seed. So in particular, our focus is on investigating the anatomy, the biomechanics of natural seed in order to develop biodegradable soft robots that can be used for precision agriculture and environmental monitoring. Plant seed-like robots are the new frontiers in robotics to develop new technologies that are fully biodegradable for precision agriculture and environmental monitoring. But why plant seeds? Plants are sessile, which means that they stay in the same place where they germinate. And in order to avoid the competition among related plants, during the evolution, the strategy that they evolved is to release a seed through different structures that are transported far from the mother tree. This means that there are seeds that can penetrate in soil, or seeds that can fly, or be attached to the fur of animals. But what is very relevant in robotics as well is that these structures that transport life, that transport the seed, are completely dead. So there is no metabolism inside, but they move thanks to the arrangement of the materials inside the cell wall. So there are some materials, in particular cellulose, that absorb and dissolve water, humidity, or other materials that, depending on the arrangement in the cell wall, play the movements. So depending by the arrangement of such microfibrils, such a structure can drill and penetrate in soil, or, for example, can fly, or can be attached to different systems. So this is exactly what we want to imitate in our robots. Since the new strategy is to have all the control integrating the materials. So we don't need to add new energy or battery or electronics, but such a system can, also in the artificial form, move thanks to the interaction with the humidity variation into the environment. And this is a completely revolution because the robots that we develop are more sustainable and fully integrated in the natural ecosystems. So they can work for a while and then they disappear because they are biodegraded. And this is the aim of the ICT project. So the goal is exactly to develop biodegradable soft robots inspired by drilling and flying seeds that are covered with materials that can interact with some specific targets like mercury or CO2 or temperature and humidity. And such an interaction, during the interaction, such material emitted fluorescence that can be read by LiDAR techniques on board a drone.